back to the channel. If you are looking for Redbox Entertainment Inc., well, this is what you will find on your page. It is stock as at $1.65. But what happened with Redbox Entertainment? What happened to your investment? How can you find out the stock price of Redbox Entertainment Inc.? Well, Redbox Entertainment Inc. got bought out by Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment. So, if you are looking for Redbox Entertainment Inc., you should instead be looking at Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment. And how do you get to Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment? Well, this is their ticker symbol, and that is what their stock looks like. It is CSSE, Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment. The deal has been done, it has been signed, it's sealed. Redbox Entertainment Inc. is now fully owned by Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment. So I just wanted to make that clear in case anybody was online looking for Redbox Entertainment. So Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment is down today 6.31% and trading at $11.44. Friday, the stock closed at $12.21 and opened today at $11.78. However, in the course of today's trading, the stock has slid and is now trading at $11.44. We have barely 2 hours to the closing bell. Today's volume for Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment is rather high at 427,000 compared to an average volume of 245,000 shares that would typically exchange hands. The market capitalization for Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment now sits at 184.17 million US dollars. So that's what I had to share with you guys in case you were looking for Redbox Entertainment. Bye now.